CM of Caribbean Autonomous Council Dr. Tulira Mohang held a review meeting for education effectiveness in the district on 1st of August 2022 at Caribbean Autonomous Council Conference Hall. CM Himanta Biswa Sarma launched Mission Bhumiputra portal in Assam on 1st of August 2022. CM of Caribbean Autonomous Council Dr. Tulira Mohang held a review meeting along with the officials of the Education Department and various representatives from social organizations in order to improve schools' effectiveness and provide equal opportunities and an equitable learning environment. In a meeting, further the CM directed the officials to ensure strict observance of duty, else wise-stern actions shall be taken. If a student does not attend his or her classes for 5 consecutive days, the class teacher will have to contact the guardian to ascertain the reason behind the absence so that he or she could be brought back to school. He also announced to free higher education through Caribbean Autonomous Council to the poor BPL students who options for science streams, as the employability scope is relatively higher in comparison to the other 2 streams. In a meeting, Raju Tiso, Honorable Speaker, Vidya Singh Ingle, Honorable MLA, Richard Togby, EM Education, and other EMS, MSCS, PS, Secretaries, including representatives from Karbi Lamet Amai, Karbi Cultural Society, Karbi Student Association, Ahom Sahitya Sabha, Dimasa Student Union, Kuki Students Union, All Boro Students Union, Diva Sahitya Sabha, Garo Students Union, United Karbi Youth Association, Karbi Nimso Chingtur Asong, All Adivasi Student Association, Women Justice Forum, Karbi Students Union, Rengma Naga Students Union. Jameson Teron on educational updates in Caribbean Law, Karbi Daily News. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma launched Mission Bhumiputra portal at the Srimanda Sankardev Kalakshetra here on Monday. The objective of this portal is to provide digitalized caste certificates to the students within a month. The applicants will be issued the certificates digitally signed by respective deputy commissioners, who will be assisted by officials bodies of different castes in identifying or approving the caste of students. As part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, he had launched Mission Bhumiputra, a landmark step to resolve issues faced by students in getting their caste certificates. Now, eligible Class 9 and Class 12 students will now be able to download SC, ST, OBC certificates from http://bhumiputra.assam.gov.in. Jameson Teron on educational update in Assam, Karbi Daily News.